Hello everybody, my name is Maggie and I'm from Weller Health Education at Lehigh Valley Rite Aid Children's Hospital. I may be a little bit familiar to some of you watching. If not, hello, nice to meet you. What Weller does is we're in charge of making really awesome health programs for kids of all ages. Now, Weller has been very fortunate recently because we've acquired a really awesome new health program called Project Safe and Smart. Its aim is to inform children about body safety for second graders. Now, I could talk a little bit about it, but instead I am going to introduce you guys to our brand new health educators, April and Megan, and they're going to give you guys some more information about this really great new program. I'll pass it over to them.
Thanks for the introduction, Maggie. Again, my name is April and this is Megan, and we are two certified Safe Touches facilitators. We did bring in the puppet actors to show you all. We have Herbert. He plays multiple roles in the workshop. And then we have Eunice, who plays the mama. And then we've got Petunia, one of our child actresses. And then we have Toby, another child actor.
Safe Touches is an evidence-based, age-appropriate child sexual abuse prevention program. It's classroom-based, it's in-person, interactive, and fun. We use puppet skits to teach and reinforce important body concepts to help keep children safe from not safe touches or from sexual abuse. We're also trained to answer questions in an age-appropriate manner and manage potential abuse disclosures.
Throughout the workshop, the children are able to learn what parts of the body are considered private, the differences between safe and unsafe touches, and what to do if they feel scared, confused, or receive a not safe touch.
And one important body safety concept that we teach the children is the 4 safety tools. And children can use these 4 safety tools if someone tries to give them a not safe touch. And so the 4 safety tools are trust your feelings.
Trust your feelings.
Try to say no.
Try to say no.
Try to walk away.
Try to walk away.
And tell an adult.
And tell an adult. We do also bring these little booklets to give out at the end of the workshops. It's just to take home, work on with a trusted adult, and it kind of reinforces what they learned throughout the workshop, like the private parts, feelings associated with safe and unsafe touches, and they just facilitate conversations with their adult at home. We have them both in English and in Spanish. And let's just go through that real quick. So the booklet just reviews the various things that they learned through the workshop, like what are the private parts of the body? How do you keep your body safe? The feelings associated with safe and not safe touches, and who they can tell about if they get a not safe touch.
To learn more about Weller and some of the programs that we offer, you can find our webpage. Just put in Google Weller Health and we'll be on the LVHN website. Scroll down to the bottom and that will allow you to get in contact with us to schedule a program in your school, or you can email us at wellerhealth@lvhn.org. Thanks for watching. Bye.